What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to show and hide notifications in messages on iPhone. So let's get into it. Go to your settings and scroll down to messages and select it, and then tap on notifications. And all right, guys, as you can see under alerts right there, it shows lock screen. So to disable it or to hide it, you just press that check mark, and then to show it or enable it, you press it again. And that's how you do it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.